Hello friends, welcome to Defense Services. Today we are going to cover serious 220 general knowledge geography section questions. So let's start. The first question is, which one of the following Indian places receives minimum rainfall in year? Option A, Jodhpur. Option B, Leh. Option C, New Delhi. Option D, Bengaluru. The answer is Leh. Place in India receiving the lowest rainfall is Leh. The average annual precipitation in these regions is less than 15 centimeters. The cities like Jaisalmer in Rajasthan, Leh in Ladakh receives the least rain. The next question is, timber vegetation is generally not found in which of the following regions? Option A, subtropical region. Option B, temperate region. Option C, alpine region. Option D is tundra region. The correct answer is tundra region. The timber vegetation is generally found in subtropical, temperate, and alpine regions. Timber is a type of wood that has been processed into beams and planks. Next question is, decadal growth rate of population in percentage was highest in India the year. Option A 1991, option B 1981, option C 1971, option D is 1961. The correct answer is option C 1971. Motto of the census was our census, our future. The most populous state is Uttar Pradesh. The next question is, the isotherm line which divides India north south in almost two equal parts in the month of January is option A 10 degrees Celsius, option B 25 degrees Celsius, option C 15 degrees Celsius, option D is 20 degrees Celsius. And the answer is option D 20 degrees Celsius. The isotherm of 20 degrees Celsius runs roughly parallel to the Tropic of Cancer. Next question is, which one of the following indicates the tropical savanna climate? Option A AW, option B DFC, option C CWG, and option D is AM. And the correct answer is option A AW. Savanna climate, also known as Sudan climate, it has distinct wet and dry seasons. It is a transitional type of climate that can be found between equatorial rainforests or deserts of the subtropics. The next question is, the largest geographical area of India is covered by which one of the following type of soils? Option A inceptisols, option B entisols, option C alphisols, option D is vertisols, and the correct answer is inceptisols. Next question is, which one of the following cities closest to the equator? Option A Mogadishu, option B Singapore, option C Colombo, and option D is Manila. The correct answer is option B Singapore. The next question is, which one of the following is not a coral reef island? Option A Great Barrier Reef Australia, option B Rainbow Reef Fiji, option C Swaraj Island India, and option D is Kyushu Island Japan. The correct answer is option D Kyushu Island Japan. The Barrier Reef Australia is world's largest coral reef system composed of over 2900 individual reefs and 900 islands. The next question is, which one of the following statements with regard to ozone is not correct? Option A, ozone is found most at 55 km in the atmosphere. Option B, ozone is produced by gaseous chemical reactions. Option C, 16th November is celebrated as the International Day for the Preservation of the Ozone Layer. Option D, ozone is a form of oxygen in which three oxygen atoms are bounded together. The correct answer is option C, means 16th September is celebrated as the International Day for the Preservation of the Ozone Layer, not 16th November. Next question is, Sea of Azov is connected to option A Black Sea, option B Baltic Sea, option C Mediterranean Sea, option D North Sea. The correct answer is A Black Sea. Sea of Azov is connected to Black Sea, and Aegean Sea is connected to Sea of Marmara is connected to Aegean Sea. Next question is, Climax Mine is the largest producer of molybdenum, is located in option A Canada, option B USA, option C Australia, and option D is South Africa. The correct answer is option B USA. The Climax Mine located in Climax, Colorado, United States is a major molybdenum mine. Next question is, which one of the following Union territories of India is the smallest in geographical area? Option A Chandigarh, option B Pondicherry, option C Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu. Option D is Lakshadweep. The correct answer is option D, Lakshadweep. India's smallest union territory, Lakshadweep is an archipelago consisting of 36 islands with an area of 32 square kilometer and uh, India's largest union territory is Andaman and Nicobar. Next question is Buenos Aires and Montevideo are situated across the banks of option A River Plate, option B Orinoco River, option C Purus River, and option D Madeira River. And the correct answer is A River Plate. The River Plate is located on the east coast of South America between Uruguay and Argentina. The capital cities of both countries, Montevideo and Buenos Aires, were founded on the either side of the river. The largest barrier reef in the world is found at it is located in the Pacific Ocean. Great Barrier Reef, a complex of coral reefs, shoals and islets, the Pacific Ocean off the northeastern coast of Australia. That is the longest and largest reef complex in the world. Next question is which one of the following countries is not located on the Tropic of Capricorn? Option A Chile, option B Brazil, and option C Paraguay, and option D is Uruguay. The correct answer is Uruguay. Next question is match list 1 with list 2. Select the correct answer code using the code given below list. List 1 is active volcano and list 2 is location. We will Mount Merapi is located in Indonesia. Sakurajima is located in Japan. Mount Vesuvius is located in Italy and Mount Loa is located in Hawaii. The next question is which one of the following is not a major tectonic plate? Option A Saudi Arabian plate, option B Antarctica and the surrounding ocean plate, option C Indian Australia New Zealand plate, option D Pacific plate. The correct answer is Saudi Arabian plate. The next question is which one of the following is considered as the deepest point of these oceans? Option A Tonga Trench, option B Mariana Trench, option C Philippine Trench, option D is Kermadec Trench, and the correct answer is B. Mariana Trench. Mariana Trench is the deepest part of the ocean, lies in the east of the Mariana Islands in the western North Pacific Ocean. The next question is the four planets closest to Sun are called option A terrestrial planet, option B giant planets, and option C dwarf planets, and option D is gas planets. The correct answer is option A terrestrial planet. The four planets farthest from Sun are called outer planets or joint planets. Joint planets are made of gases. The next question is which one of the following countries does not have tundra vegetation? Option A Belarus, option B USA, option C Russia, and option D is Canada. The correct answer is option A Belarus. Belarus does not have tundra vegetation. The tundra is a treeless polar desert found the high altitudes in the polar regions primarily in Alaska, Canada, Russia, Greenland, Iceland, and Scandinavia, as well as sub-Antarctic islands. The next question is which one of the following is not a fluvial landform? Option A cirque, option B gorge, option C beds, option D is canyon. The correct answer is cirque. It is a glacial landform and others are fluvial landforms. All of you know that only 120 days left for the upcoming CDS 2 2021 exam. So prepare well. Today we have covered CDS 2 2020 GK Geography section questions. We will keep this series. We will meet again. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy learning. Have a good day, all of you.